Ano yung ayaw nila doon sa cheating?
Cheating as a whole because you're being dishonest. It doesn't matter if it's a romantic type of cheating or if you're cheating to achieve something. Cheating as a whole because you're being dishonest and you're not committed in the right way. You breach the trust that people gave you.
Now for this episode of Life Talk, we are going to talk about what do people dislike in cheating. Well, this is your lifestyle coach Mark. Let's do this. Now, even with the comment section, ang pinaka-common na lumalabas is trust. So, bakit betrayal of trust yung pinaka-common? Well, it's because nung ligawan stage nila, bago sila pumasok sa isang kontrata, bumuo sila pareho ng image na kung saan yun yung ideal ng bawat isa. Well, kunwari mahinhin, kunwari stick to one, kunwari hindi siya na-attract sa iba, kunwari hindi siya na-attract sa magaganda, sexy, so on and so forth. Those are the things na present natin doon sa partner natin para lang tanggapin tayo at para lang i-pursue tayo. And that now, nagba-backfire sa mga relasyon ngayon. Paano ka nga naman magpapakatotoo? Kung yung pagpapakatotoo mo, kapalit nun, kaparusahan. Nagsabi ka na ng totoo, paparusahan ka pa dahil nagsabi ka at umamin ka ng totoo. So, anong gagawin mo? You are going to keep up that lie and it will cost you yourself hanggang sa hindi mo na kaya at magpakatotoo ka na sa ibang tao. Doon na pumapasok yung cheating. Kasi nga hindi na kayang tanggapin ng sarili mo yung pagsuot mo ng maskara na ilang years mo lang tinatago. Yung mga sarili nating standards, yung nag-set ng trap para mag-fail ito sa future. Kasi nga, alam nung bawat isa sa inyo that if ever both of you are nagpakatotoo at nakita yung possible monster that they can become, lalo na sa isang relationship, then most probably hindi matutuloy yung relasyon nyo. So what do? They hide it. They hide it until they cannot hold it any longer, and they will find someone who can accept them as they are. Yung walang parusa sa pagpapakita ng totoo sa kanila. So ang mangyayari talaga doon, after malaman nung bawat isa yung katotohanan, after mabuking yung pag-cheat, mababasag ngayon yung identity na binuo nyo para sa isa't isa. I thought you were like this. I thought you were like that. Pero hindi rin kasi naisip ng bawat isa sa inyo that you were like that because of what you want. Minold nyo yung isa't isa into an ideal person na kayo lang yung may gusto. Kasi nga, pag hindi niya ginawa yun, again, walang magiging kayo. So, most of the relationship starts with feelings. Diba? But real love start with choices. Yung choice mo na panindigan yung relasyon na yon, regardless of what you feel for the person. If that's not love, I don't know what to call it. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme, your lifestyle coach Mark. Have a good day.